In yesterday's analysis and in the weekly analysis too, we had talked about 11,920 levels for US 100 and it has precisely bounced back from these levels. Likewise, US 32 has bounced back from sub 31k levels and see it has achieved higher highs. We did talk about 31,600 and 12,300 levels as a very stronger resistance for these two indices. Precisely, it is trading near to these levels. Now, what is going to happen today? Whether you should remain short, whether you should buy, or whether you can expect another round of crash, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. The next update will be up before the US cash session. Do watch that too. So do like, share, subscribe and comment and do press the bell icon. First we'll look into NASDAQ 100 followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, do note down the levels. Now these are the hourly charts for NASDAQ 100. 12,300, I have told you 12,300. I have told you several times that watch out for 12,300 and Dow Jones it is 31,700. Now it is again at the same levels getting the resistance. Whether we are going to look forward to a reversal or it is going to rise from here. So I'll watch out for 12,300 again. Trading about 12,300 you can definitely stay long and then I will look forward to 12,400 the next and stronger resistance levels. And also look at this here. So right now it is trying to trade sideways and what you can consider here is possibility of it to get the support at 12,230 levels exist. So go short here at 12,230, expect 12,200, 12,150 as the very good support. This is the zone you should watch out for. Only and only if it trades below 12,150 levels you can expect that we may see another round of fall till towards 12,050, 12,080. Now, if you recall yesterday's analysis, I told you this is the level beyond which definitely it will fly and see what it has done. Now, it may try to possibly achieve these levels again. Also, look at the hourly charts. It is giving you higher lows. So, for a possibility for it to drop till here exists only till it trades below 12,300 levels then and then only. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic has seen a drop trying to rise again. The MACD is bullish and it is willing to converge. RSI is overbought. Remember this fact that RSI is overbought on the hourly charts. Hence you can expect couple of red candles. Now look at the 2-hour charts here. On the 2-hour charts, see lower highs, higher lows trying to consolidate and in fact this time for the lower highs, lower lows are possible. Once you see it dropping below 12,240-30 zone, possibility that yes it may drop for 12,200, 150 and in fact it can drop further below. Only buy entry about 12,300 very clear. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is overbought here. The MACD is divergent and bullish. The RSI is trading flat and it's near to top there. Now look at the 3-hour charts too. On the 3-hour charts likewise, so first understand why this is going to be a crucial resistance level and whether it is going to remain bearish or it is going to remain bullish from here. Now see these lows and these lows, so it has changed its slope from here and that is what was the indication that the bulls might take over. And from here now I will watch out for how it behaves at 12,300. Beyond that definitely 12,400, 550 levels can be expected. Now see the 3-hour charts here. On the 3-hour charts it is given you a higher opening, so possibility of it to trade between 12,240, 12,300 exists. Once it trades beyond 12,300 definitely that is a good level to stay long. Then 12,320, 350, 400 levels can be expected. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic overbought. MACD divergent and bullish, but remember it has seen the highs because it has seen the cusp out there. Probability of it to converge from here exists. RSI trading flat and near to top there. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour charts it has seen a megaphone pattern and see it is trying to consolidate. Once it draws below 12,230, 12,240 zone, yes that should be a good level for 12,200, 180, 150 and then 12,050, 80 levels. On the upside only long entry is 12,300 level. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI near to top. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts I told you it is formed a bottom out there and it is showing you a good swing. The support or pivot is now situated at around 12,100 levels. So see 12,320 also you should watch out for 12,300 320. If it breaks out beyond this, it will call for a good rise for 12,350 400 levels. In fact, 12 till 12,400 you should be very cautious with your positions on the upside. What it is trying to do, it is trying to trade within this zone, but remember 920 lower lows, it is what it is created, and hence probability of it to drop exists. And yes, the pivot level now at around 12,100 levels, 12,080 levels, which it may try to achieve again. Directional movement bearish, stochastic has come out of the oversold zone here. One single green candle, it has come out of the oversold zone. The MACD is bearish, it is willing to converge, it is trading bearish since long now, though it has traded in green since long also, that also you one should observe, but it is right now trying to converge. RSI trading flat. Considering this, you can go short at 12,240, expect 12,200 to be a very strong support, 12,180, 12,150. If it breaks below 12,150, expect 12,080, 12,050 levels. Remember, the zone between 12,050, 12,100 is going to be important for NASDAQ 100. Breaking below 12,050, you can further remain short for 11,950, 11,900 levels. On the upside, only buy entry, only bullishness is seen till on it trades about 12,300. The nearest resistance is going to get at 12,320, and then beyond that 12,350 and 400. Once it trades beyond 12,400, stay further long, and then you can expect 12,500, 12,550 levels. Trade with caution today. It may achieve a high at around if it continues to trade on upside, it may achieve a height around 12,400 levels, and 12,450 500 levels also can be seen. On the downside, 12,100 050 levels are going to give it a very strong support. Take your positions accordingly, trade with the trailing stop loss, trade with the stop loss there. And yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, taking right entries at right times and right exits, you can join my mentorship batch. The 15th batch is starting soon on 12th of September. Only couple of seats left. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can become a patron. The patron page and patron website link is mentioned in the channel and video description. There you can become a supporting member, and just with the minuscule contribution, you can definitely support and motivate me for coming out with a better analysis day on day without fail. Now look at the US30 charts. So US30 and or Dow Jones, remember I have told you several times that 31,700 is something you should be watchful of, and now it is seen close to 31,650 levels and try to retrace from there. So in between 31,650 and 31,550, anyways we have to exercise extra caution. Once it draws below 31,550, rather I will say, you can expect it to drop more, and then below 31,550 you can expect it to drop for 31,400 levels directly. Below that we may see a stronger drop on the downside. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic was oversold, or not oversold but comfortable, trying to look upwards, trying to trade bullish from here. The MACD was trading bullish, trying to converge here and cross over for a sell entry. Let's see if it does. RSI is near to top and near to overbought levels. Look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, higher lows, lower highs. Be watchful of 31,550. Be careful of 31,650. In between these 100 points, do not trade. In fact, above 31,650, you can expect 31,700 as the immediate resistance. Beyond 31,700, it will fly high. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is overbought here. Probability of it to drop a little exists. The MACD is divergent. It may start to converge from here. The RSI is trading flat but near to top there. Likewise on the 3-hour charts too, it is seen a high. See the probability, it is trading with a diverging triangle. The support there is going to come into picture. 31 400, 350 levels. This is going to be a stronger support for Dow Jones. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought here. And then on the downside, the MACD is also bullish here. It is divergent. RSI is trading flat and it's near to top. And on the 4-hour charts, look at the previous candles. Higher highs trying to consolidate. Do not trade between 31,550 and 31,650 at least. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic extremely overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish here. The RSI is trading flat here. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, I did draw it for you, lower lows, lower highs. I did tell you that beyond 31,250 you can expect 31,250, you can expect it to rise more till towards 31,600 levels. Precisely to achieve this, in fact till 31,700 I will still be cautious with the long positions there for the day. Beyond 31,700, definitely 31,840, 32,000 levels can be expected. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic oversold, and with one single green candle it has come out. Probably it may give you another green candle for it to come out above the oversold zone and try to bounce back. The MACD is willing to converge crossover for a bullish move. RSI is seen a bottom trying to bounce back from here. Considering this, you can go long above 31,650. Expect 31,700 is the first target, 31,840 and 32,000 are the next target. Beyond that, it will fly for 32,100. 50 and 32,200 levels. On the downside, go short at 31,550, but then expect 31,500, 450, 400 and 350 till 31,350. Rather, I will say 31,300. It is going to get a very strong support. Only if it breaks below 31,300, you can expect it to drop, and then below 31,300, you can expect it to drop sharply till towards 31,100, 31,000 levels again. In between 31,400 to 31,700, you have to always trail your stop losses. And for the day, do not trade between 31,550 and 650. Take your positions accordingly, trade accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do join up my Patreon page, do join my Telegram channel, do become a part of my mentorship patch. Thank you very much. Reach out to me for any of your queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.